If you want to cancel your Gmail free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure that you do it correctly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Gmail website and log in using the account associated with your free trial. Make sure you have the correct credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Google account settings, look for the Payments and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscriptions, including the Gmail free trial. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find the Gmail free trial in the list of subscriptions. Click on it to see more details, including the next billing date and options for managing your subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure that the cancellation has been processed. After completing these steps, your Gmail free trial will be cancelled, and you will not be charged once the trial period ends. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Google Support.